Have you ever sat down to work, opened your laptop, and suddenly you're watching cat videos, Googling how tall is Mount Everest, and wondering if penguins have knees? Yeah, you're not alone. Focus today is like that one friend who says they're coming to your party, then never shows up. But why is it so hard to focus? And more importantly, can we actually fix it? Let's find out. Distraction isn't just your problem, it's everyone's problem. The average person gets distracted every 3 minutes at work. That's less than the time it takes to boil an egg. And once distracted, it can take 23 minutes to refocus. That's longer than most TikTok binges. Add to that social media, group chats, email chains, and your brain suddenly wants to clean the whole house instead of doing real work. We're not lazy, we're overloaded. Let's start with students. You sit down to study. Open your book. Bzzz. Snapchat. Ding. Group chat. Before you know it, you've watched 12 study hacks and failed to do actual studying. Why it happens? Instant gratification beats long-term gain. Fear of missing out. Yes, FOMO is real, and it's loud. How to fix it? Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work, 5-minute break. Put your phone in another room or in a focus coffin. Use sight blockers like Cold Turkey or Forest app. Try writing your to-do list by hand. It forces presence. Next, professionals. You're trying to write a report and ping, email, ding, Slack, knock knock. Got a sec? Suddenly, it's 4 p.m. and all you've done is rename a PDF. Why it happens? Workplace expectations of being always available. Multitasking, illusion. It feels productive, but it's a scam. How to fix it? Block deep work time on your calendar. Mute non-essential notifications. Use email batching. Check it 2-3 times per day, max. Try Do Not Disturb hour, even if you fake a meeting just for it. Remote workers. You have the freedom of working from home and the attention span of a goldfish in a disco. Why it happens? No boundary between work and personal life. Home is a jungle of distractions. Let's fix it. Create a fake commute. Take a 10-minute walk before and after work. Designate a workspace, not your bed. Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. If not, schedule it. Add an end-of-workday ritual, like closing your laptop and saying, "That's enough emails for one lifetime." Let's peek under the hood. Your brain runs on dopamine, the molecule of motivation. Every time you check your phone, you get a little dopamine hit. Your brain goes, "Yay, that felt good. Let's do it again." Problem is, it rewires your brain to crave short-term rewards instead of long-term goals. It's not a you problem. Your brain evolved for survival, not modern overload. And social media? It's the dopamine vending machine. Before we jump into the good news, let me ask you, if this feels a little too real, give your focus a boost. Tap like and hit subscribe for more brain-saving animations. So here's the good news, my friends. You don't need superhuman discipline. You just need structure. Start with 1-minute goals. Just start. Momentum follows. Use temptation bundling. Pair work with something you like a chill playlist. Track wins, not just to-do lists. Finished one task? Celebrate like you won the Olympics. Move your body. Even one stretch resets your mental space. Keep water nearby. Hydrated brains equals focused brains. You're not broken, you're just distracted. The world is designed to steal your attention. But you can take it back. 1 Pomodoro. 1 unplugged hour. 1 day at a time. And hey, if a stick figure can do it, so can you. Like this video? Smash that like button, subscribe for more animations, and share it with your easily distracted friends. This was powered by coffee, curiosity, and one very focused stick dude.